Okay, let's get ready to make our chocolate-filled Easter eggs. Now you can fill your Easter eggs with anything you want, but we've provided you with some little Easter candies that you're welcome to use. Now you want to take your chocolate chips and melt them in the microwave. Try 15-20 seconds, stir them up, and then keep mixing and keep heating until you have a nice chocolate syrup. You want to put the chocolate inside of your little plastic eggs and spread it all around and make sure it's really thick. Put your chocolate egg halves in the refrigerator for maybe 10 minutes until the inside is nice and firm, and then you can put the candies inside of them and the candy will not stick to the sides. Putting the two egg halves together can be a little bit of a challenge, but if you just work them a little bit, they'll pop right together. If they're a little messy on the outside, just take a dish towel and clean them out so the outside is nice and pretty. You are ready to put your eggs and your cookies together in the packaging that we provided for you and give out some nice little springtime gifts.